Hello guys, good afternoon. It's Shubhangi here. Today I am going to talk about the computers. Computer is having a huge role in our life, or you can say in the world. Without computer, the work is nothing, and the industry is nothing. Okay, we see that. Actually, computer it is an electronic device, or you can say tool, which manipulates, which control, which store the data or the information what we do and what we have to store. And it can store the process information, data, meetings, whatever we have to plan, structure, all of the things. Okay, we can type in there, we can type the documents, we can send emails. Some of the students, or you can say the boys or girls, play the games in it also, and browsers, the web using a computer actually. Okay, it can also be used to edit a spreadsheet. uh, Basically we also for the to make the presentations, even the videos, create them, lots of editing system in it also. Early computers were convenient only to device for calculating as like for math purpose. It just in where there it just in a simple manual device, such as abacus, in there which individual do calculations since ancient time. Okay, now these all tools are evolved now as all the world is developing, so computer is also develop themselves. The most common component of this computer as like hardware. There are also thinner devices as like input device, process and the output device. In there we startly see hardware. In the hardware, you know that the RAM, motherboard, display power. Okay, that's all my that's in the hardware. As I say, the input device, as an example, keyboard, mouse, scanner. These are the equipment you can say. Magnetic reader, and output device as like a human readable form. Example, uh, monitor, printer, speaker, projector. That's all. Okay. In that, the major rule for the CPU. CPU, it is an central processing unit of a computer. It controls the unit register together. That's about the and actually the CPU is called the computer's brain. Okay, and talking about the softwares, as like the softwares refer to computer parts such as programs, data, and its protocol. Okay, that's about, you can say the what is the use of computer. Whenever we kids use lots of computer because there it's having a new features. Okay, the computer using for various field such as home. We also have a computer at our home, but preferentially whenever we kid we just using for the gaming purpose, and sometimes we just use for the typing purpose to speed up our typing as like for it. If you want to read anything, there is no need of books, so we directly get to the internet or Google to find out this book and read in the computer. Okay, the uses as like we are from the uses, government office, research tables, organization, in a lots of educational institution, medicines, entertainment, etc, etc. The lots of future features and powerful functions of computer as a science, where analysis, collection, whatever it will, the data is stored at the uh, as a computer. Government, the confidential data, you can say the confidential data, the all information regarding the country, region, cities, villages, the all information, their functions, all reported and all collected and stored in the computer. I'm talking about the health medicine, we all know that the x-ray from the patients, the computer assisting them, it's a lots of there. Talking about the educational, government, lots of the defense, defense, monetary, navy, the lots of the function of computer, they store the all confidential data. uh, Actually we learned basic computer from the MSCIT, but I hadn't did it. I hadn't did a MSCIT. I just preferentially use the computer at my home. Actually we have the computers also in our school. We have computers, we use it. And now the modern era, we use the laptops. There's no need to any another out process and in process, input process, as like we don't need computer mice. It's a laptop in a modern era. And nextly you can say that it's a pocket computer, as like we use the mobiles now, because mobile also have the some of the same features as a computer. Excel, spreadsheet, whatever presentation we can do in our mobile. The lots of benefit of computer: to get creative, use how to use internet, how to use internet to get information, to gain knowledge, to gain technical knowledge, to get non-technical knowledge, creative knowledge, uh, imagination, to improve the imagination process. The lots of benefits from the computer. It also have some disadvantages, as like kids playing game more superficially, their addiction for them. Also some disadvantage sides. Some sites, dark sites also have a computer, so you have to avoid them. Okay, that's about the and fun fact about the computer. Uh, Computer, whenever the Asian computer, the first computer is formed, actually this computer weighted 800 1800 tons. And this is a very large, as like a one room. We saw the one room. They're the size of a computer there. And this computer is actually made by a woman. Yes, that's about the short computer. Okay, thank you.